Constructivism is a philosophical and psychological theory that emphasizes the role of human thought and action in shaping the world and our experience of it. According to constructivism, reality is not something that exists independently of our perceptions and interpretations of it, but rather is something that we actively construct through our interactions with the world and with other people. There are many different strands of constructivism, including social constructivism, which focuses on the role of social and cultural factors in shaping our understanding of the world, and cognitive constructivism, which focuses on the role of individual cognition in constructing meaning and understanding. One of the key ideas of constructivism is that people are active learners who are constantly constructing their own understanding of the world through their experiences and interactions with others. According to the constructivist theory, people do not simply absorb information from the world around them, but rather they actively interpret and make sense of it based on their prior knowledge, beliefs, and expectations. Constructivism also emphasizes the importance of context in shaping our understanding of the world. According to this view, the same event or phenomenon can be interpreted and understood in very different ways depending on the context in which it occurs and the perspectives of the people involved. Constructivism has had a significant influence on a wide range of fields, including education, psychology, sociology, and political science. In education, for example, constructivist approaches emphasize the importance of hands-on experiential learning and the role of a teacher as a facilitator rather than a provider of knowledge. In psychology, constructivist theories have influenced the development of approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, which focuses on the role of thoughts and beliefs in shaping behavior. Overall, constructivism is a complex and nuanced theory that has much to offer in terms of understanding how people make sense of the world and their place in it.